I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A4 starter motor. First, ensure your vehicle is safely prepared. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical hazards. Then, securely lift the car and place it on sturdy jack stands. This provides safe access to the starter motor, which is usually found on the passenger side of the engine, connected to the transmission bell housing. Now, let's disconnect the electrical connections. You'll see a large main power cable attached to the starter motor. Remove its nut and detach the cable. Next, carefully disconnect the smaller solenoid wire, which often has a clip or a small nut. Make sure all wires are completely free and tucked away safely to avoid damage during the next steps. With the wiring disconnected, it's time to tackle the mounting bolts. There are typically 2 or 3 bolts securing the starter motor to the transmission. These can be quite long and may require an extension and a specific socket size, like a 16 mm or 18 mm. As you remove the final bolt, be ready to support the starter motor to prevent it from falling. Once all bolts are out, gently wiggle and pull the starter motor free from its housing. It might be a tight fit, so take your time. Before installing the new starter, compare it to the old one and clean the mounting surface. Installation is simply the reverse of removal, ensuring all connections are secure and the battery is reconnected last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.